Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aquarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus para sa ibang pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see what's up, Aquarius. What's up? King of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. I feel like you are going to spend more time with your family ngayong first half ng October. A lot of travel opportunities. I think you're becoming even more serious, no, sa mga plano mo para sa family mo, sa finances mo moving forward. Okay? Maari ring iiwasan mo na gumastos in a way na parang hindi kailangan. So for you, anything na magbe-benefit yung family mo, maayos naman yung magiging yung flow ng finances mo, doon ka. So, anything na excess, anything na hindi mo kailangan, hindi mo pagkakagastusan ngayong first half ng October, you're going to be more careful sa mga decision making mo. What is the King of Swords? You have the Devil card. Yes, may mga temptations, of course, pero I think kaya mong paglabanan yung mga temptations na yan. Yung mga bagong gadgets, alam nyo na, bare months na. You're going to be more practical. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Eight of Wands. I feel kasi na pagdating sa family, marami kang pagkakagastosan sa kanila or anything that will make your family happy. But for yourself, it seems na hindi ka masyadong gagastos for yourself. Maybe because napagkagastosan mo na yung sarili mo ng mga nakaraan and now, ang focus mo sa family. What is the Eight of Wands? The Magician. Marami kang projects na gagawin, maraming trabaho for you. You might be learning a new language. Yung ba mag-aaral ng bagong language? Japanese. Korean language. And I think this is going to benefit your career. Lalo na kung ang trabaho mo is nasa communications. Or anything na kung hindi man to specific language, this is improving your communication skills. This is going to be this is going to be very beneficial sa'yo. Yung communications. Yes. And meron kang mga goals na unti-unti nang natutupad for you. It seems na decided or very much determined ka na abutin yun. Mahirap siya, to be honest. Pero with your skills, kaya mo. And hindi lang to yung tipong gagawin mo because you just want to do it. Gagawin mo kasi alam mo kaya mo. Meron kang tools, no, to achieve that. to make it happen. I-equip mo yung sarili mo sa mga kailangan. O, halimbawa na lang, example, pag-ayos ng sasakyan. Alam mo na kaya mong ayusin yung sasakyan, pero kung wala kang tools, mahirap gawin yon. So, for you, i-equip mo yung sarili mo. May tools ka, may knowledge ka. So, kaya mong gawin yon, 'di ba? Kaya mong ayusin. So, let's see your finances, money. Slow and steady. Slowly but surely, being careful in each and every step will minimize errors in your projects. There's no need to rush. Wag daw madaliin and just enjoy the process. So, I think hindi ka magbibigay ng pressure sa sarili mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa career. Alam mo lang na you know what you want, you know what you can do, and you are taking things one step at a time. And then collaboration, working with some other people. Yes, some of you are in communications field, nasa social media, content creator. Yung iba nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa pag-share ninyo ng contents ninyo, ng talents ninyo. And you are willing to learn. That's why you are collaborating with some people. You are learning from other people's experience. Yung iba nagpapa-mentor. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this makes sense with slow and steady. Seven of Pentacles is, alam mo na meron kang itinanim, and then alam mo na meron ka ring aanihin. And you are patient. No? Naghihintay ka. Willing to wait ka doon sa rewards ng pinagtrabahuhan mo. You have the Queen of Pentacles kasi eventually you will get it. Okay? You will be rewarded for your hard work, for your determination. Rewarded yan. Seven of Cups. This will also open up new opportunities for you sa career, sa trabaho. Yun nga lang, be very careful in making choices, lalo na kung masyadong marami ang pinipresenta sa'yo kasi you might get fooled by something na akala mo is maganda pero hindi pala in the long run, no? Sabi nga hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. Okay? So, be very careful in choosing the best option. Make sure na ni-research mo, pinag-aralan mo before you get yourself into that. Okay? So, sa love naman, Aquarius, freedom. You love freedom. Yung iba alis pa lang sa isang toxic relationship. Naku, mukhang may humahabol pa sa inyo. Hinahabol kayo. Maaring itong person na humahabol sa inyo, alam niya na marupok ka. So, nasa sayo kung magiging marupok ka pa rin sa person na to. It really depends, no? Kung itong person ba na to ay toxic, tapos umalis ka and then nahabulin ka ulit. Cycle, pag cycle, toxic na, no? Hierophant. Nine of Swords. Some of you are in a toxic relationship, Aquarius. Yung on and off. Maghihiwalay, mag-aaway, then magkakabalikan. Yung iba kasal with the Hierophant. But some of you, cycle na siya. Paulit-ulit. Mag-end, mag-aaway, magkakabate, may marupok. But, I see that, ngayong first half ng October, merong maliliwanagan sa inyo dito sa relationship na to. Pwedeng merong magbibigay ng advice sa inyo, what's best. And I see yourself na I'm seeing yourself na palalayain mo yung sarili mo sa isang toxic connection. So, let's see what else. When peace is your priority, negativity cannot exist. See, ang priority mo ngayon is peace, kapayapaan. How can you see through the eyes of source energy and prioritize your inner peace? So if there is something toxic in your life, whether this is a career or a relationship, ang priority mo peace. So it's either you end that or you avoid it. Iiwasan mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.